came driving down to my place today, and I thought there'd be a little bit of snow. This is December 13th. I thought, oh, the worst, most I'd have like about, 5-6 days ago, all I had was about 2 inches in my driveway. Like I'm driving up today thinking, oh, it's not going to be that much. Sure, look. Smokes the side of the driveway. That's after one little snowfall here in December 13th, 09. Can you imagine what it's going to be like the rest of this winter? Anyways, got here at 1:30. It's now 4 o'clock. I had to do all this. I had to make a pathway. Had to unload the car. I had firewood in the back seat and everything. Came up this way. There's the path. Do. So bad right here, but all of a sudden you hit here and there was like ice and packed and snow and everything. And then we went this way. Right over. Remember, this is only December 13th, 09. Look at my log I got to carve. Looks like you got a little snowman thingy on it. Pretty cool. Yeah, anyways. There you go. So I had to do back here. Front of the outhouse. See all that. Go walking through here. Going up to my knee almost. Now I had to shovel up back here. Here we go. Back door. I had snow right up to about, oh shit. Oh, I don't know how high. Oh, got the back door open. Isn't that good? Not good. There we go. Anyways, I shoveled out this stuff. Top of the generator. The shower. Shovel up this area too. Anyways, that's just a little bit for December. Yeah, right. Anyways, let's see if I can see the road here again. I don't know how long this movie takes. Let's see. Show you back and forth down the road. It looks really cool. The trees are covered, eh? Awesome. The fence. Smokes. She's covered pretty good. And it looks like somebody took a snowblower, but it's not. It's the kind of storm they had. Look at the tree. The pine. Got snow up against it, smacked up against it. I shoveled all this by hand, so it wasn't a snowblower. It's wild. Now you get to see down the street here. There we go. See down the street that way. Cool, eh? Front of the house here. All the snow in the house. Trees. That one's really cool. Anyways, let me look down the road this way again. Isn't that wild, eh? Little snowfall. Anyways, time to take some still pictures.